Hi, I'm Kim, and I make custom-made dream catchers. I thought I'd bring you along today to show you how I make this custom-made 20-set True North wall mural for a beautiful customer. It's a very long process, but it's definitely worth it. So let's just jump in and show you guys right from the beginning. I started by putting all the crochet into the embroidery hoops. This looks like it's going really quickly, but it takes about 5 minutes to do one, so it took me a long time to do this. But I was watching some really cool YouTube videos about Greek mythology and I was having a ball. And as you guys can see, I've got my little fishies on the left there that are just swimming around, which is super happy. But yeah, this is a really relaxing process. You'll be very relaxed by the end of your 8 hours making this. Oh, this is Snowy. You guys can meet her. She is very friendly and she loves cuddles. She's a little albino catty. I love her so much. And yeah, so I'm going to start by putting the hoops together. And oh, there's my sister's cat, Elizabeth. She is very cute. She's a gentle little spirit. So yeah, I'm just going to put the hoops together and then we're going to add on the tassels. But if you guys have any comments, you guys can leave them down below and I will get back to any questions you may have. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll just show you guys how I do this.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.